Have you ever wondered about the lesser-known cuts of beef that can offer great flavor and affordability? Today, we're diving into the world of mock tender steak. Mock tender steak is a lean cut taken from the shoulder blade area, also known as the chuck region. Despite its name, it's not particularly tender and requires proper cooking techniques to enhance its texture. To cook mock tender steak properly, methods like roasting or braising are recommended. These low-heat, moisture-rich cooking techniques help keep the meat from becoming tough and dry. The mock tender steak is often confused with Terry's major steak or petite filet, but they are distinct cuts. The mock tender has more connective tissue and a tougher texture due to its higher activity in the animal. While visually similar to beef tenderloin or filet mignon, mock tender steak is much more affordable and can offer a budget-friendly option for those looking for flavorful cuts of meat. When sliced into steaks or used in stews, mock tender is known for its beefy flavor and unique texture. It's an excellent choice when you want to enjoy a rich, hearty meal without the high cost of premium cuts. In summary, mock tender steak is a lean and flavorful cut from the shoulder that can be delicious when cooked correctly. By understanding its properties, you can maximize its potential in your kitchen. So there you have it, mock tender steak is a flavorful and budget-friendly option that deserves more attention. Have you tried cooking with this cut before? Share your experiences in the comments.